Hey, I'm Tony with Lane Bully. Today I'm going to walk you through installing the sequential mirror lights on your GX550. It's going to come with the tools that you need, the lights themselves, two lights, and then screwdriver and a pry tool. Ideally, you'd want to pop this mirror off first to access some of the tabs, but we did the other side already without doing it, so we're going to show you how to do it that way. So we're going to start off by pulling this tab, this section of the back housing, using the pry tool. Get that open a little bit. We're gonna swap the screwdriver to the flathead. Use this pry tool to pull open this tab. Get enough room for the screwdriver to fit there. And once that's separated, we can start working our way up and down. Just work your way around the back housing carefully, trying not to break the tabs. So as you work your way around it, try to pull evenly around the whole back housing rather than just from one side, because that's how you'll break the clips. So slowly, since it's still binding on this side, slowly work your way around on the side that's still clipped on. It should pop out like that. Next step to take these Phillips screws. Next step is to take these Phillips screws out, switch back to the Phillips head on your screwdriver, and I'll back these out. And it's okay if the screws stay in there. They'll come out when we pull this back housing out. Well, once you get the screws off, as with the outer shell, you gotta work your way around it, loosening these clips as you're pulling it out. There, there's one right here. Lift up the tab, pull out. Oh, there it is. Pull out. Keeping tension the whole time as you're pulling. Otherwise, the clips will go back into place again. And then there's one at the very bottom in here that you can't see. Just a little persuasion, we'll get it out. All right. So this is what we're gonna be replacing. So to take this light out, we're gonna release these 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just push in on it and pull this side out. And that comes out. And then to take the wiring harness off, you squeeze right here. Squeeze right here as you pull out. Here's the OEM one. Here's the sequential light. Okay, so we're gonna go in reverse operation of what we just did. We're gonna put it through here, this side first, and then it'll clip into place. Make sure both are fully seated. We can reconnect the wiring harness. This connector can go in either direction, so we're gonna have to test it. Since it's a LED, polarity does matter. So once you get it plugged in, go inside and press the hazards. Okay, so now it's not turning on. We'll have to flip that connector around. Okay, so now we have the correct polarity. We'll put this inner housing on, making sure the wires go through this little U channel here. Otherwise they won't reach. And it just snaps back into place. Making sure that this is flush and inside the bezel. All the way around, nice and flush. And we'll put the screws back in. Final step, putting this outer shell on, the housing. And it'll just snap back into place. There we go, easy peasy. And then we'll do a test. Turn on hazards again. Oh yeah. So that concludes our installation guide for the sequential mirror lights. Like we said, you can remove the mirror, but it's not necessary. You'll just save a lot of time if you omit that step. Thanks for watching.